Hi guys, I just got back from work and I got in a mail this influencer box. So I don't know what inside, but I'm very excited to open this one for you guys too to see. So yeah, let's open this. So this is what look like inside. So first, I'm gonna show you the cards. As always, they have a card. Okay, the card looks like, guys, so pretty. And at the box, there's items that I have on this box. So let's dig in what I have here. So first, I'm gonna show you this twinning tea. So I have a coupon this one, guys. I saw this one in at Walmart or Walgreens, so I will try this one. This is a tea that fit your every mood. So I have another coupon is hair stuff. I didn't know this hair stuff, but I saw this one at online. But it says in here it's Ulta. So I have a $3 coupon off if I buy the hair products from this Eva NYC brands. So yeah, this is what look like. And then I get this Vera Wang Embrace Marigold and Gardenia. This scent is a travel size perfume. And the big one, a success. This is 100% quinoa. So I was thinking the other day to buy a quinoa, and this is a good product if you are trying to lose weight or alternate with rice, trying to lose weight or eating a healthy food. And this is gluten-free. And yeah, I'm really excited. I got the lemon and ginger herbal tea, fresh flavor aromatic. So this is the tea, guys, that what I got. And I also show you already the coupon that I got. So this is one. So I like lemon and ginger tea. That's what I always use. Then I get the Epson salt lavender relax and recover. So this is very nice, and it is 100% natural. So I'm loving into like this, guys. So another product that I got is this Eva NYC. And this is the hair mask and hair oil. So I haven't tried this product and I am really excited. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you're interested what about the influencer, I think I heard if you are in the US or in Canada, yeah, I just put in my descriptions box below how you joining it. Hi guys, I just finished showing you what I got from influencer. And then today is the first spring 2018, and it's really a little bit cold today. Anyway, that's all, guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.